मेरी पार्टनर
फैशन शो हो रहा है जिसमें मनीष आज की शाम पर छाए हुए हैं। बातें करते हैं मनीष से और करिश्मा कपूर से जो बहुत ही फिट और खूबसूरत लग रही है। करिश्मा बहुत ही फिट और खूबसूरत लग रही है, बताइए इनकी खूबसूरती का राज क्या है?
मनीष के कपड़े।
मनीष, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज के कलेक्शन के बारे में?
कलेक्शन से पहले कहूँगा कि करिश्मा खूबसूरत है एंड वो एक शी इज अ फाइटर, यू नो, शी ऑलवेज वर्क्स हार्ड ऑन herself and when I saw her I was like, you're looking you started films, so I think she is fantastic and inspirational for this collection because this collection was classic, it was beautiful, elegant, and that's what we're trying to do. There's a lot of intricate work done.
Well, that's we all to decide and to find out.
Anyway, so what did you feel about Manish's collection today? The people who walked on the ramp and the collection like in totality.
Well, it was absolutely fantastic and stunning. And like Manish said, I think it was really elegant and really beautiful. And I think that's what really stood out.
What do you want to say about Karishma's comeback?
Well, there's no such comeback or, you know, she's not gone anywhere, so it's not like that. So I think today's a time and age when even you get married and you get such lovely roles and, you know, things. So I think films are changing. And so there's no comeback, I think she's always there. Films will never leave her, let me tell you that.
Okay,